Hello, and welcome to the very first episode of the Miseducation of AI in Education. I'm your host, Sonia Hightower-Rout, certified AI consultant, certified AI-powered instructional design professional, and a proud educator with over 25 years of experience. This podcast is where we tackle the myths and fears surrounding AI in education, giving you the facts, the tools, and the inspiration to embrace AI as a partner, not a threat. We're starting this series with the biggest myth out there, the job extinction myth. You've heard it. I've heard it. AI is here to replace teachers. Sound familiar? It's a fear that stops so many educators from even considering AI as a helpful tool. But here's the truth. AI isn't your replacement. It's your reinforcement. And today, I'm going to show you exactly why. So where did this idea come from? Hollywood movies, headlines about robots taking over, and honestly, a bit of fear-mongering. It's easy to jump to conclusions when you see AI tools analyzing data or even grading papers. But here's the thing. AI might be smart, but it doesn't have what you have. Empathy, intuition, and the ability to inspire. Teaching isn't just about facts. It's about connection. And that's something AI can never replicate. So let's flip the narrative. Instead of thinking about what AI takes away, let's focus on what AI adds. AI can add time. By automating repetitive tasks like grading and lesson prep, AI can actually give you back that valuable asset, which is called your time. The next thing, personalized learning. For your students, you can create personalized learning. That way, it gives you insights to help them succeed instead of trying to do it as a whole. And then it can also spark creativity by helping you brainstorm and build engaging lessons. You ever built an escape room lesson on your own? That takes days to put together. But if you use AI as your assistant, you could get it done in minutes. Imagine this. Instead of spending hours grading, you get to spend that time mentoring students or collaborating with your colleagues. AI is your assistant, not your competitor. Let me tell you about a teacher who used AI to create personalized lesson plans for her students struggling with math. Within weeks, she saw improvement, not because AI replaced her, but because it freed her to focus on what really mattered. And that was teaching. No matter how advanced AI gets, it will never replace what makes teachers irreplaceable. Your ability to inspire creativity, your role as a mentor and a guide, and your empathy and understanding of your students' unique needs. Think about it. AI can analyze data, but it can't celebrate a student's win or give them a pep talk when they're struggling. That's your superpower, and it will always be. Now that we've debunked the myth, here are 3 simple steps you can take to embrace AI as your ally. Number 1, start small. Experiment with an AI tool for lesson planning or grading. Work it out, test it a couple of times, try it on for size, see how it feels, and then add another. Number 2, learn more. Join communities of educators that are exploring AI. There's power in collaboration. And number 3, stay open. Remember, AI is here to support you, not to replace you. And it's ever changing. So those lessons that you thought might be out of reach because you may be able to do them with your gifted and talented students, but your students that are struggling might not be able to gauge the lesson, so you just throw it away altogether. AI can now take that one lesson and place it every place on that spectrum to fit every student that you have in your classroom. It's amazing, folks, and it's here to help you, not to harm you. Together, we can reimagine education and use AI to work smarter, not harder. Our jobs are hard enough. I want you to think about it this way. AI can be that one classroom assistant, that teacher's aide that's at work every day, never gets tired, never runs out of exciting ideas for the kids, never gets tired of analyzing data, and is at your beck and call, whether it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon or 1 o'clock in the morning. Think about it. Now, that's it for today's episode of the Miseducation of AI in Education. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss an episode. Next week, we'll dive into the myth that AI encourages academic dishonesty. Spoiler alert, it's not true. Don't forget to follow me on social media and share your thoughts on today's topic. Let's keep the conversation going. Remember, you're irreplaceable, and with the right tools, the possibilities are endless. Until next time, stay inspired.